Why is everyone buying this wide whale corduroy, boneless, modern sectional sofa? I'm going to show you, but first, I've just got to tell you, dude, I have reviewed so many couches and chairs and all that kind of stuff. These things are first of all, these boneless sofas that are starting to get big right now are my favorite because I don't have to build them. All I have to do is take them, cut the package open, and they just expand automatically. But I have to tell you, hands down, I've made several of these. This is the highest end looking, most modern, kind of like high end vibe. And it is so freaking comfortable. And this corduroy is so soft. It's like velvety soft, but just, dude, it's supportive, but it just feels so comfortable. So it is about 38 inches deep, 37, about 37 inches deep. And then I think they say, here, let's just measure each one just so we can get a vibe. It says 106 total. This one is that about at the end there? This is it's a little over 68 inches there. And then here we're at a little over 38. So I'm an idiot and I'm live on camera right now, so I can't do math. It's just one of my shortcomings. So you can add that up. But dude, I can't believe how nice this thing is. I mean, so the vibe of this in the room, it's got that kind of low modern vibe, but it's still got a high enough seat. It's not like you're just got to cave to the ground to get in it. But as you can see, when I sit down here, I don't sink in. That's the difference between this one and a lot of the other boneless sofas I've done. A lot of them, they're less supportive than they appear like they're going to be. This is the first one I've done where I'm like, this is a legitimate high-end sectional sofa that is preferable because you can just order it in a box, cut it open, and if you ever need to move it, it's super lightweight. But at the same time, when you sit down, it is a legitimate sofa. It's so comfortable. In fact, I would say it's more comfortable than many of the sectionals that have this high-end look and feel that you're going to pay probably 8x for to get something for this kind of vibe. And I will tell you, just on the number on the product page alone, a lot of these, in fact, I just reviewed one last week from a different company, and it is not as nice as this one, and it is twice. It's almost twice the number on the product page. So this is an incredible value because this is the nicest one I've done. It's got a big, wide vibe, and it just feels super comfortable, dude. You're going to sink into this. You're going to sleep on it. It's going to become your new best friend.